The African American Healthcare Alliance mission focuses on the development and implementation of strategies to help address the lack of minorities seeking careers in the healthcare field. So through professional mentoring and financial assistance, they help students achieve their goals. Their scholarship ball is happening soon. It's taking place on October 11th. And here to share more about it is Justin McGee, the chapter president, and Sylvia Page, the OG member of this organization and event planner. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Good morning. Thank you for having us.
Yes, so good to see you. So this alliance has been around for quite a while. I know this event is going on its 28th year, but why don't we start with you, Sylvia? Since you are an OG member, tell us a little bit of history about this organization and how it got founded.
Yes, so the organization actually started with two organizations, one being Chi Phi sorority and one being the doctors' initiatives that they had going on. And so we came together to do a scholarship, and it was so funny because the first ball that we did, it was two recipients that we had, and so we have grown and grown and grown, and so now we're up to at least 15 recipients that we have given scholarship dollars to. Over the years, we've had probably 250 scholarships that we've given, over $500,000. So we are very proud of what we have done. Justin was just a little tyke at the time, but he's always been involved as an escort, and his dad was very, very instrumental in keeping the group going. And so we're so excited now that he's grown up in the organization, and now he is the president. So,
that is incredible.
Yes, it is.
And that the sorority that you're talking about, you had taught me this actually before, that it was a nurses sorority.
Yes.
And you as a nurse, bring that field into it because it's a combination of healthcare professionals. And so, Justin, you are an ER physician.
Yes.
Brave work. I mean, I just imagine the hustle and bustle and the quick thinking that you have to do in that role. And taking this on as the chapter president is a whole new thing. So how has your experience been growing through the organization and now leading it?
Oh, it's been great to see it grow and expand and be a part of it since the kind of the beginning, and seeing it from various perspectives as a elementary and middle school student through my time in college, where I would come back to the balls annually, and through medical school, and then being able to be a part of the organization as a member and now the president. I just wanted to see it to continue to grow and to foster the education and development of healthcare professionals in various fields, including medicine, pharmacy, nursing, therapies, and the other various fields involved. So it's been a very exciting time, and I'm glad I get to be a part of it and help support it.
Yes, and let's talk a bit about the membership. Who is your target audience? Are you looking for members that are just anyone, professionals in the healthcare industry, or those who are seeking it, like if they're currently in college and they're getting some type of medical degree?
So the membership is for the once you get to the point of profession and being in the field itself. But we do mentorship with the younger students in college and the professional fields, and those are who we give these scholarships to, pursuing those educational endeavors to become professionals and to give back to the Northeast Indiana community.
Yeah, okay, awesome. And this big scholarship ball is coming up in just a couple of weeks, which is great. I'm honored to be back emceeing it for the second year. And so, Sylvia, as the event planner, let's talk about what can we expect this year?
So we're going to have you there as our MC, which is awesome again. And so we'll have a speaker this year. Last year we did a panel discussion, which was very great. But this year we are going to have a speaker. The whole process of it is quite a task. We get the speaker, we have to, of course, get the venue, the food, and all of that. And Justin has been leading the way with that, and he's been helping with the speaker selection. He'll tell you a little bit about that. But assigned seating, we expect about 300 people in attendance. And so that's kind of been our number for probably the last 10, 20 years. So 28 years is a long time to be doing anything. And the fact that we've been able to carry this on, and we have great sponsors that have been continually supporting us throughout the year. So it's just been a wonderful thing to be a part of.
Yes, for sure. Packed house, and this is taking place on October 11th.
Yes, the Coliseum.
At the Coliseum. And so, Justin, tell us about the speaker.
So yes, our speaker is Dr. Lauren Dunges-Pothris. She is a maternal fetal medicine physician at Riley Children's Hospital, very involved in the disparities of maternal mortality and infant mortality, and she's going to educate us on those concerns, because unfortunately, we do have these discrepancies and issues going on here in America and in Indiana, and it'll be good to get some background on that and hopefully some encouragement about how we can address this and resolve this issue in our community.
Yeah. Really good. Very informative. One thing I loved about the event, attending it before, was just watching the scholarship process, the presentation, because it's so exciting to see the faces of the recipients and hearing about their accomplishments and what they're wanting to do moving forward. So you see that joy in their face. Good food, of course, the Coliseum has amazing food, presentation, education, and then there's dancing at the end. We have to dance. So it's a formal event, so y'all come ready to have fun. How can people get tickets?
So tickets can be purchased at Dr. Wayne Walker's office and also Dr. Lugott's office, and I'll give you the information you can put on the screen. And so tickets are $75 each. We start at 6 p.m. with the networking, which is always nice to kind of mingle and meet people. And then at 7 p.m. we'll start with dinner. After our speaker speaks, we give our presentations, and then as you mentioned, we'll have dancing.
Yes. So exciting. I mean, you just can't miss an opportunity to be around so many amazing medical professions all in one place, and have access to them. So
yes, it's a great event. And plus we have young people there that can be our escorts. And so that's how we kind of get them acclimated to hopefully going into the healthcare field. But at least if not that, then just being around a different venue. And so exposing them to things at a young age. So.
I love it. I love it. Well, thank you both so much. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. And we'll see you at the event.
Yes. And if you would like more information about the African American Healthcare Alliance and their scholarship ball that is taking place on October 11th, then we'll have the website and information listed below that you can purchase tickets and find out more information. But you want to do this before they sell out. And I'll see you at the event.